Thailand.
Where are we going?
It's been a while since we.
It has. It really has.
I'm sorry. It's been too long. We're headed to Malaysia.
Clearly, that's where we want to be.
Connecting to Tokyo. We're in Malaysia. We need to get to Terminal M. I can't hear you.
Oh, you can't hear the haters.
Hater. It's only you.
Evan, we are literally in chocolate land. I didn't know Malaysia owned all of the chocolate in the
They
world.
own it.
Oh my goodness. I wish I had veins like that. Evan, that's not okay. We're doing
Noodles.
Do you want Burger King?
Burger King.
Because clearly every airport needs 5 of them.
Every international airport there are. There's 4 Burger Kings.
There's 4 burgers.
There's 4 burgers.
How do we get upstairs?
You are really pushing my button.
Am I pushing your buttons?
Stop. Stop.
What's your idea? What's your idea?
Let's not even get food. Let's just not even
That's
get
a
food.
great
Brennan, if you could just pick a place to eat.
I am sorry.
We're doing a new segment today called Let's Follow Brennan to Nowhere. Let's get to a restaurant, Brennan. Let's wait for you to pick a restaurant. Where would you like to go, Brennan? Do you?
You don't want to go here.
I will eat whatever. Brennan finally found a place.
No, let's go to the ice cream place.
What?
We're going to
We're going to the ice cream place now.
So this lady took her credit card.
She didn't give it back.
It's been up there for like
10 minutes.
a good 10 minutes.
Can you finish your ice cream? You could read the memes on the meme plane.
Your cone, Evan.
Cows go moo?